Hi, welcome to the Just Hack Me at Python tutorial series. Python offers two different sort functions, the sorted function and the sort function. This video covers the sorted function. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe. We will use the previously created list object called myList. Our myList object is a list of US states. It is important to note that myList is currently an unsorted list. With the sorted function, the underlying object remains unchanged. That is, if it was created as an unsorted list, it will remain an unsorted list after we call the sorted function. This is different from the sort function, which changes the object itself. Take a look at the terminal to see the code being executed. We will first print the list unsorted. Then, we will print the list using the sorted function. Finally, we will print the list one last time without calling the sorted function to show that the object has remained unsorted. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. This YouTube channel offers various other programming videos and tech-related content. Please feel free to browse the channel. You can also visit the website posted here for additional tech content.